Very good morning, my dear students of class 9. Please open Act 2, Scene 3 now. Act 2, Scene 3 is taking place in Venice, a room in Shylock's house. A room in Shylock's house. Enter Jessica and Lancelot. Lancelot, the servant of Shylock. Jessica says, I am sorry thou wilt leave my father, so I regret that you are leaving my father's service in this way. Our house is hell, and thou, a merry devil, didst rob it of some taste of tediousness. Our house is like a hell. But you have been a merry devil. You had been here, a merry devil. In it, you made me laugh. That reduced some of the boredom, tediousness, boredom. That reduced some of the boredom. But fare thee well. There is a ducat for thee. She says, but fare well. Here is a ducat for you. Ducat for you. Listen, and Lancelot, soon at supper shalt thou see Lorenzo, who is thy new master's guest. Here is a ducat for you. She gives a ducat as a tip. Here's the ducat for you. Listen, Lancelot. You will see Lorenzo soon at supper. Soon at supper. He is your new master's guest tonight. Bassanio's guest tonight. Give him this letter. Do it secretly. And so farewell. I would not have my father see me in talk with thee. He is your new master's guest tonight. Lorenzo will be the guest of Bassanio tonight. Give him this letter. Do it secretly. Now goodbye. I would not like my father to see me talking to you. Lancelot says, adieu, tears exhibit my tongue. Goodbye. Jessica, tears prevent me from speaking. Tears are coming down. Goodbye, tears prevent me from speaking. Most pagan, most sweet Jew, if a Christian do not play the knave and get thee, I am much deceived. Most beautiful again, my dear Jewess, goodbye. I will feel cheated if a Christian, means here Lorenzo, is going to play dishonest and get to you. Is going to play dishonest and get you. But goodbye. Lancelot doesn't like that Lorenzo should play a dishonest role and get away Jessica from there, from Shylock's house. But goodbye, these foolish tears. Adieu, these foolish drops do somewhat drown my manly spirit. Adieu. But goodbye, these foolish tears somehow dampen my manly courage. Farewell. He departs. Jessica says, farewell, good Lancelot. Alack, what heinous sin in it in me to be ashamed to be my father's child. Alas, what a terrible sin it is for me to feel ashamed to be the daughter of my father. I am feeling ashamed that Shylock is my father. But though I am a daughter to his blood, I am not to his manners. Though I am his child by blood, but I do not have his habits. My habits are different from his. O Lorenzo, if thou keep promise, I shall end this strife, become a Christian and thy loving wife. O Lorenzo, if you keep your promise, I will put an end to this conflict. I will put an end to this conflict, for I will become a Christian and your dear wife. After that, she departs. In the next video, you will study Scene 4, Act 2, Scene 4. Thank you so much.